Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro dollar continued to be very strong yesterday. Yesterday, I was talking about how this could be a wave B, and that if it is a wave B, it could go to the 100, 123, or 138. But there's also a possibility because the trend is definitely up that it just keeps going up, which is why I'm not going to sort it personally until after I see an aggressive turn at one of these three Fibonacci levels, which we definitely do not have yet. Now, like I said, a way B could turn at any one of these three levels, so we definitely want to look for a break on sort of time frames at one of those levels. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, for me personally, this low right here could be a wave A, so a break of this doesn't really tell me that it's over. I think I would have to see a break of this right here. I would have to see a very impulsive move down. Then I would have to see a pullback. Then I would try to go short after the break of structure and after the pullback potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. Much safer entry because, like I said, this possibly could be an A, B, C. It could go down, break this structure, and then make a higher low, and just keep on going up. So, like I said, if it does break down at one of these three fib levels, I'll be more than happy to start sorting it. But otherwise, I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend. This definitely does not have to be an ABC, especially when the monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour time frames are all still in an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.